Welcome to BezReviews, where we break down the latest products to help you decide. Today, we are looking at the TECXERLLON 15000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner, designed to cool large spaces up to 800 square feet. This unit promises versatile 4-in-1 comfort and quiet operation. Check the link in the description for the best price. Let's dive into the core capabilities and performance of the TECXERLLON Portable Air Conditioner. This unit boasts a significant 15,000 BTU cooling capacity, making it suitable for large rooms up to 800 square feet. Beyond just cooling, it functions as a 4-in-1 unit, offering a powerful dehumidifier removing up to 100 pints of moisture. Operating as low as 48 decibels, this air conditioner is designed to be as quiet as a library, making it. Overall, the TECXERLLON delivers on its promise of powerful and quiet cooling for larger spaces combined. Now, let's look at the practical aspects of living with the TECXERLLON from. Controlling this AC is straightforward with its full-function remote working up to 23 feet away and an intuitive LED touch. The self-evaporating system helps minimize manual draining by recycling moisture, offering up to 72 hours of drainage-free operation in most. Moving this unit is made easier with smooth 360-degree caster wheels and side handles, and it comes with a complete. BezReviews appreciates the 1-year overall unit protection and a strong 3-year warranty on the compressor, further supported by convenient U.S. Ultimately, the TECXERLLON offers a user-friendly experience with robust support, although its physical size and lack. The TECXERLLON 15000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner stands out with its powerful cooling for large rooms and versatile 4-in-1 functionality. Its quiet operation and self-evaporating system contribute to a comfortable user experience. While it is quite heavy and lacks smart app control, the strong compressor warranty and straightforward remote make it a solid choice.